As a growing number of cities adopt smart technology, the need for innovative network infrastructure is becoming more and more apparent. Smart cities require innovative network infrastructure to meet their needs. As more people live in urban areas, there's a greater need for efficient transportation systems and other utilities that can help make life easier for residents. NEO, networking helps navigate the legal and regulatory matters in smart city master plans and makes sure you're compliant with local, state, and federal rules, regulations, and laws. Because when it comes down to it, every member of the community must have access to the same opportunities for growth as everyone else. The smart city is the next big thing in technology. Many countries are working on developing sustainable, environmentally friendly, and high-tech urban areas. The concept of a smart city has been floating around for decades, but we've only recently seen governments and corporations taking concrete steps to make this dream a reality. Although, for example, Dallas plans for the smart city future, the important part of the plan is making sure that every citizen has access to free Wi-Fi. This means they are improving the quality of life of all citizens. The Internet of Things, or IoT, has been around for quite some time, but now it's being used by more than just companies and governments, because everyday people want technology to make their lives easier. Catch, brought to you by Essential Marketer. Are you looking to increase leads and sales through your website? Here are some people looking for what you have to offer right now. And down here, around this corner? Oops, wrong way. Maybe down here? No. There it is. Here is your marketing message. Sure, you've done your homework. You've optimized your product titles and descriptions. Fine. Tuned your categories and identified product segments. These people all fit your target demographic. However, they are not actively looking for your products and services right now, and this makes that marketing message up there very expensive. Imagine this. The moment Harry and Sally start showing an interest in buying the type of products and services you offer, pop, you're there. And the same thing happens to Carl and Mary and Tina. No matter where they are, your message is right there in front of them in that moment of showing interest. I know, right? It's like magic. Actually, it's not. This type of targeting is precisely what our latest catch marketing technology offers you. So how does this work? Sally is using Google to rummage through the typical avalanche of content clutter. She fits your target demographics. But as she's not shown an interest in what you have to offer yet, you're not spending any marketing money on her. Then she starts visiting competitor websites. And you know about it. Now that she's shown an interest, our catch marketing technology kicks into action. Your marketing messages start appearing on other popular websites she visits. As we've crafted this message to be attention-grabbing and enticing, she clicks on the link, visits your equally well-crafted message, landing page, and ta-da, the sale is made. With catch marketing, you don't market to people that just fit a demographic profile, but also show an active interest in what you have to offer. This approach makes your marketing considerably more cost-effective, and that means faster growth and more profits. Here's an actual case study. Lime's Country Lodge Hotel wanted to generate more bookings through their website. Utilizing catch marketing, we were able to send 15,000 people to the website. As these were people that have already shown an interest in the type of services offered by the hotel, it resulted in more than 300 visitors making either a booking or an inquiry. And the cost? Less than £1 per positive response.